Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to shorten Amazon links without using bit.ly. This is incredibly useful when you want to share cleaner, more professional-looking links with colleagues or customers without relying on third-party link shorteners. Let's dive right in and get this sorted out. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be ready to find the product you want to share. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the page and type in the product you're looking for. Amazon's search functionality will quickly pull up relevant results based on your query. Now browse through the product list that appears and click on the product you want to share. This will take you to the detailed product page where you can see all the specifications, reviews, and purchasing options. Once you're on the product page, you'll need to select any preferences like color, size, or other variations if applicable. Make sure you've chosen the exact version of the product you want to link to, as this ensures accuracy when someone clicks your shortened link. With your product selected, it's time to grab the URL. Navigate to the address bar at the top of your browser and copy the entire link. This URL is what we're going to work with to create a much shorter, cleaner version. Now open a Notepad application on your computer. This could be the built-in Notepad on Windows, TextEdit on Mac, or any simple text editor you prefer. Paste the URL you just copied into the Notepad. This step allows you to clearly see the full link structure and makes editing much easier. Here's where the magic happens. Look through the pasted URL and find the part that says RF. This is a tracking parameter that Amazon adds to links, and it's what makes them unnecessarily long. Once you've located RF, delete everything from that point onwards, including RF itself. What you're left with is a much shorter link that still directs to the exact same product page. The key is to ensure you remove all the extra tracking information that comes after RF to get the cleanest possible link. After deleting the excess portion, copy your newly shortened link from the Notepad. Now it's time to verify that this shortened link actually works as intended. Open a new tab in your web browser and paste the shortened URL into the address bar. Hit enter and watch as the link takes you directly to the product page you selected earlier. If the page loads correctly and shows the right product with all your selected options, congratulations, your shortened link is working perfectly. And there you have it, a clean, shortened Amazon link ready to be shared with colleagues, clients, or anyone else who needs it. This method keeps your links professional and eliminates the clutter of tracking parameters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.